Want to know how to post or write your first post in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application and make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to download and log in Playsee, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected your profile, here you should be seeing your profile with followers, following, and much more of your details. So under activities right here, if you have not posted anything, you can just simply select write your first post right here. Or on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this plus icon. So you can just simply select it. And once I've selected it, here you should be able to write your own post. You can select this camera icon in order to add images, right? And also location in order to add location right here. So you can just simply type in anything and you can just simply post it right here, or just also select privacy options right here. So you can also select communities and much more, and then select post, and you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.